So, when I say King Shark, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? If your answer is a non-shark man with a red mohawk and a metal jaw, do I have the movie for you? Look, I'm not going to be too hard on the movie itself, which is actually pretty good and has a great Joker and Riddler. And I like that Batman actually plays a second fiddle instead of being the lead, but this King Shark just does not do it for me. Take that big metal jaw of his. Completely wasted. The one time he could have really done some work with that thing, he fails. Which, yeah, gives Harley a cool moment, but where's the love for King Best Boy? Harley gets enough screen time as it is. I do like his relationship with evil Elsa. There's something kind of sweet about them if you get past not King Shark trying to, eat her that one time. No biggie.
Try it, fish fingers, and I'll show you the meaning of cold-blooded.
You're feisty.
But one, he dies before it goes anywhere. Though his death does give us this moment, which is pretty great. And two, evil Elsa is no John Constantine. And what they had was real love. Also, this version is weirdly scared of heights, but he also pounces on fools from the second floor like this? I swear the only redeemable part about this dude is his voice actor.
You make a persuasive argument, Fry.